Hi, I'm Caitlin Randall with the North Carolina Pork Council.
And I am Coco Daughtry with the North Carolina Sweet Potato Commission.
And today we're going to make you a breakfast egg stuffed sweet potato. We have all of our ingredients laid out, and we just thought it would be an awesome thing to come together for two of the top North Carolina commodities, pork and
Sweet potatoes.
yes.
I think that they were naturally created to go together, don't you?
Amen. Yes.
Typically, if you're in a hurry in the mornings, I would say bake them overnight, which we did. So let's go get them out of the oven. We are the number one producer of sweet potatoes across the United States.
Love it.
Typically, we grow on average around 90,000 acres right here in North Carolina.
If you're buying typically any kind of bacon or pork in the grocery store, it's likely coming from North Carolina.
It's in the oven for 20 minutes at 350. I think we are just about ready.